During a break in the rain, we decided to do a garden walk and came across this beauty hanging on the passion fruit vine. Decided to quickly suit up and see if we could catch them and get ourselves a new hive. The idea is to catch as many bees, shake them into the box as we can, and hopefully the queen drops in and the other bees will follow. As you can see, so many fall past the box onto the ground and a lot went inside the tunnel. The first couple of times Tony shook the box, it was clear that we didn't have the queen because the bees kept going back over to where they'd started on the vine. But after a few attempts, it became clear that we did have the queen because, as you can see, all the other bees funneled into the box and stayed with her. And each time you catch a swarm, you never really know if you're catching your own bees that have decided to leave home or you've caught someone else's bees. Thankfully, it looks like this time these are somebody else's bees and we've got ourselves a new hive. And given the pretty crappy weather we've had since November with this constant rain, they haven't really been doing a lot of work and we don't have a lot of honey to show for the year. But with any luck, it will clear up soon and we'll be able to get those stocks back in.